For the first question, okay, it's about a setup to determine the color and the charge of ions, which is in book 1B. So what will you observe? Because you will observe the orange patch towards positive electron. Okay, and you need to have an explanation about this. And when I mark it, I find that many of you cannot answer correctly. So what will be the explanation for this? Will be because dichromate is negative ion and it is attracted by positive electron. A standard answer related to this kind of setup. That means, first of all, you need to determine the charge of the ions, whether it is positive or negative, and then we try to find out the color of ions. And you find that the color should be dichromate only, okay? Dichromate is orange. So as dichromate is negative charge, so it will move to positive electron. So you will have this kind of observation. The observation will be the orange patch, okay? Moves towards the positive electron. Okay? And I find that part B, of course, many of you because from one source, try to copy, okay, and then make it into to the answer. However, if you find this type of question, you need to answer clearly. This one, okay. Why we need to have sulfuric acid? Because it provides mobile ions, or you can write down provide hydrogen ions or sulfate ions for conduction of electricity, correct? Or you answer this one, increases electrical conductivity, or, okay? But you cannot simply write down it conducts electricity. You get my point? Because the explanation is that the sulfuric acid dissociate, okay, to form hydrogen ion and sulfate ion so that it can conduct electricity. And for part C, if I change a compound into copper ion compound, blue pledge, okay, will move towards negative electron. Again, in fact, it is similar to part A. Because copper 2 ion is blue, it will be attracted to negative electron. The pattern is quite similar. Again, you need to find out which ion will move to which electron, and then to find out the color of ions. Okay, this is for question number 1. You find that the diagram is a little bit difficult for you because you don't know what is this kind of setup is actually electrolysis. But I find that some of you write down how to get involved. For this one, we cannot have this observation because this is a gel. The compound is in a gel form, not aqueous state. And of course, later on we will study about electrolysis in redox later. Okay, not now. So for question number 2, the electron diagram should be ammonia, okay, something like this one. And I find that some of you write down the cross outside the covalent bond. Of course, this is incorrect. You need to share the electrons in order to form a covalent bond. And then B, a difficult question, which is about dative covalent bond. And the definition, I find that many of you, okay, cannot answer it correctly. So for dative covalent bond, okay, it's about shared electrons contributed by one bonded atom. What that means? That means for the lower parts of this question, B2, I will explain it in further. But you need to know the definition of dative covalent bond, which is the lone pair electrons of N will donate to boron to achieve object structure. What that means? Now I write it on top of this answer. That means for nitrogen, there will be a lone pair electrons here and of course this free electron with bonding with hydrogen atom. This one. And for boron, because only 3 electrons is used for covalent bond, that means altogether there will be 6 electrons in boron in the outermost shell, which is not octet. So for dative, we need to have a lone pair electrons donated to the electron shell of boron in order to form a dative covalent bond. This is an exact definition of dative covalent bond. But I find that when I mark it, I find that many of you write down the bonding electrons or 2 electrons from one atom donate to the other atom. It's not totally correct. I explain in Cantonese here, okay? Maybe a little bit abstract. 我意思即係咩呢？你哋好多人答可能就咁抄書啦，或者抄同一份嘢啦，就講呢有2粒 electron 或者一個 bond 嘅 electron，OK， 俾咗去個 boron 度去做個 dative covalent bond。呢個唔係一個最準確去解釋 dative covalent bond 係乜嘢。逢親你見到問你 dative covalent bond，你必須要答到一樣嘢就係、其實係個 lone pair electron， 佢一定要有 lone pair 先捐得到出去嘅。你講2粒 electron 或者 bond pair， 其實係唔啱嘅呢個概念。係一定要 lone pair electron， 即係個粒電子係冇做 bonding 嘅，俾咗去一個 atom 度，係咪個個 atom 都俾得佢？唔係，係俾咗個 atom 之後，嗰、個 atom 係會達至到 octet， 你先至可以俾佢。所以你哋好多人可能一句起兩句只答咗，有對電子俾咗另一個 atom 啦，咁啊叫 dative covalent bond，而嗰對電子嚟自同一個 atom， 呢個唔係最圓滿嘅解釋。最圓滿嘅解釋係一定係嗰個有一個 atom 嘅 lone pair， 當佢 donate 去另一個 atom 之後，另外嗰個 atom 係可以有翻個 octet 嘅 structure， 你先至可以做 dative covalent bond。如果唔係咧，你會發覺亂咁嚟㗎啦。例如呢嚿咁嘅嘢，譬如佢有一個water 喺隔離 ，OK， 咁water 佢本身咧就已經係 octet 㗎啦，因為佢做到8粒喺出面。咁呢個 lone pair 可唔可以俾佢做一個 dative covalent bond 係唔得㗎嘛？但係如果根據翻你哋答題嗰啲字眼咧，你哋係可以咁寫嘅喎，因為總之 lone pair 俾一個 atom 就得啦嘛，係咪？咁所以咧，你一定要答得清楚。總共咧，其實你要答呢3個 point 嘅。但通常考試如果真係問你 dative covalent bond 咧，可能1分起2分止嘅啫。OK， 你就要答到個精要嘅地方，就係一個 atom 嘅 lone pair 去俾另一個 atom， 而受咗嗰個 lone pair atom 嘅lone pair atom 嘅 electron 咧，佢又會obtain 到 octet 嘅，咁先至做到 dative。OK。